What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Julius Velasco and today we're going to talk about 5 things to repair for the new homeowners that are getting ready to purchase your house. One of the things that I suggest fixing would be the HVAC system.
And upgraded our HVAC system.
Well, that's good.
If you're out there shopping for yourself, it's kind of a necessity to understand that heating and cooling is one of the bigger things that you would be looking out for. So likewise, your prospective buyers would be looking at the same thing too. Because here in Northern Nevada, we pretty much catch all seasons.
Cold out there! It's cold out there!
I want him to feel the heat.
I have a video up in the corner that I'll leave for you about the weather here in Reno, Nevada, if you're not from here. Number 2 would be finding those electrical issues.
To generate the 1.21 gigawatts of electricity I need.
Maybe in the bathroom or in the garage, even in the kitchen. The smallest fixes may go a long way when listing your house and might actually be that difference of your house versus the next one. Tip number 3 is fixing those plumbing issues. It's a good idea to get any of those things fixed if you haven't done so already. Moving on to tip number 4, if it's been a long time since you've done your roof and maybe it's been 10, 20 years down the road since the last time you've done your roof, maybe it's a good time to finish your roof. My last and final tip is redoing some of the foundational problems that you might face. I'm not a home inspector, but here in Northern Nevada, there are plenty of home inspectors, and if you need one, feel free to reach out to me. Having that home inspection done preps you to see what kind of issues you would need to fix for a higher value later down the road if you wanted to go ahead and fix those repairs. If you found this content valuable or helpful to you at all, feel free to smash that like button and hit that notification bell and subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, I will catch you in the next one, and comment down below what you think of this video. Did this help you at all? Thanks for your time, and I'll catch you in the next video.